How was electricity made? The very first electric generator was invented by a man named Michael Faraday. It's actually quite a shocking story, let me tell you. In 1831, Faraday was doing some experiments with magnets and noticed something strange. When he moved a magnet near a coil of wire, it started to spin. He had accidentally created a motor. This was very exciting, but he needed a bigger, stronger magnet, so he turned to the one place he knew that had the most powerful magnets in the world, a nearby cathedral. The huge iron-based magnets inside the church's bell tower were perfect for his experiments. He set up his generator next to the tower and started to move the magnet back and forth really fast. This caused the coil of wire to spin so fast that it created an electric current. He had essentially created the world's first electric motor. But how does electricity work? Well, when you move a magnet next to a coil of wire, it creates a flow of electrons. Electrons are negatively charged particles that make up electric current. They like to flow from negative to positive. When you move a magnet by a coil of wire, it messes with this flow of electrons, creating a current. The faster you move the magnet, the stronger the current. Faraday's discovery was a major breakthrough. It led to the invention of the electric motor, which is used in everything from fans to electric cars, but it also led to something else, the shocking origin of electricity. You see, when Faraday was doing his experiments, he wasn't just creating electric currents, he was also creating magnetic fields. These magnetic fields were invisible, but they were very powerful. When he moved the magnet next to the coil of wire, it created a current. But it also created an invisible force field around the wire. This force field pushed and pulled on the magnet, causing it to spin. Faraday didn't know it at the time, but he had just discovered the basic principle behind electromagnetism. This is the idea that moving electric charges create magnetic fields, and these magnetic fields can be used to create even more electric charges. It's like a never-ending cycle. This discovery led to the invention of the electric generator, which is basically just a fancy way of spinning a coil of wire next to a magnet. This creates an electric current that can be used to power everything from your cell phone to your toaster. Today, we use electricity to power almost everything in our world. It is a clean and efficient source of energy that has allowed us to develop all sorts of amazing technologies. But it all started with a simple experiment by a man named Michael Faraday. So the next time you turn on a light switch or plug in your phone, take a moment to appreciate the amazing science that made it possible. And don't forget to stay curious. Who knows what amazing discoveries you might make.